check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah.
Right now we are doing sound check and we are getting ready for a great, exciting night. We are definitely going to rock the house.
We are 2 stories. We've got a bar upstairs, a bar downstairs. We serve food from 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. every day. We have an amazing sound system. It's outstanding.
It is kind of more like a personal concert and you get to be right up to the stage. It's just cool.
We bring a huge variety of music in, jazz to blues, metal, rock, country. We want to make sure that we have a variety for everyone to enjoy. Ray does a lot of things with the community and he wanted to bring Harbor Fest, which we renamed Rock the Harbor, back so that families could enjoy it. We also do a bike rally here. The whole parking lot is tons of vendors. We bring bands in day and night. It's an amazing experience, so there's a lot to go around.